Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to add refrigerant to your Buick Encore's air conditioning system. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential chemical exposure. First, ensure your engine is running and the AC is set to its maximum cooling and fan speed. Then, locate the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC line, typically found on the passenger side. Now that you have your safety gear on and the engine running, it's time to connect the refrigerant. Take your charging hose and firmly attach its quick connect fitting to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating a secure connection. Next, screw the refrigerant can onto the other end of the charging hose. Make sure all connections are snug, but do not over-tighten them, as this can cause leaks. With everything connected, we can start the charging process. Invert the refrigerant can and slowly open the valve on the charging hose. Allow the refrigerant to flow into the AC system for about 10 seconds. After this initial burst, close the valve and check the pressure gauge reading. This controlled approach helps prevent overcharging and ensures a gradual fill. Continue adding refrigerant in short, 10-second bursts, closing the valve and checking the pressure gauge after each addition. The ideal low-side pressure for most systems is typically between 25 and 45 psi. Once the gauge indicates the correct pressure range, quickly and securely disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure port. Enjoy your newly cooled ride.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.